Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Subscribe.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. كاف ها يا عين صاد.
In the name of Allah, the All-Merciful, the Most Compassionate. Kaf ha ya ain Sad.
ذكر رحمة ربك عبده زكريا.
This is a mention of the mercy of your Lord to his servant, Zachariah.
إذ نادى ربه نداء خفيا.
When he cried to his Lord, a secret cry.
قال رب إني وهن العظم مني واشتعل الرأس شيبا ولم أكن بدعائك رب شقيا.
Saying, my bones are feeble with age, and grey hair flares in my head, and, O my Lord, I have never been disappointed in my prayer to you.
وإني خفت الموالي من ورائي وكانت امرأتي عاقرا فهب لي من لدنك وليا.
I fear my kin after me, my wife is barren, so give me from yourself a successor, who
يرثني ويرث من آل يعقوب واجعله رب رضيا.
who will inherit from me and from the house of Jacob, and make him one who will find acceptance with you, my Lord. It
يا زكريا إنا نبشرك بغلام اسمه يحيى لم نجعل له من قبل سميا.
was said to him, O Zachariah, we bring you news of a son whose name is Yahya. We have given the name to none before him. He
قال رب أنى يكون لي غلام وكانت امرأتي عاقرا وقد بلغت من الكبر عتيا.
He said, my Lord, how can I have a son when my wife is barren, and I have reached extreme old age? He
قال كذلك قال ربك هو علي هين وقد خلقتك من قبل ولم تك شيئا.
said, thus will it be. Your Lord says, it is easy for me, just as I created you before and you were nothing. He said,
لله ملك السماوات والأرض يخلق ما يشاء يهب لمن يشاء إناثا ويهب لمن يشاء الذكور.
To Allah belongs the sovereignty of the heavens and the earth. He creates what He wills. He bestows female offspring upon whom He wills and bestows male offspring upon whom He wills.
أو يزوجهم ذكرانا وإناثا ويجعل من يشاء عقيما إنه عليم قدير.
He mingles them, male and female, and he makes barren whom he wills. He is the all-knower, the powerful, and
وزكريا إذ نادى ربه رب لا تذرني فردا وأنت خير الوارثين.
And remember Zachariah when he cried to his Lord, My Lord, leave me not childless, though you are the best of all inheritors.
صدق الله العظيم.